Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to check task history in Zapier to monitor your Zaps and troubleshoot any issues. First, log into your Zapier account and look for the task history option in the left hand menu on your dashboard. Click on it to open the task history page. Here you will see a list of all the tasks that Zapier has performed recently, including the status of each task, whether it was successful, paused, or encountered an error. You can filter tasks by status, date, or specific Zap using the filter at the top of the page. This helps you quickly find tasks you want to review. Click on any task to view detailed information, including the data sent and received during the step, timestamps, and any error message if the task failed. If you find an error, Zapier usually provides solutions or steps to fix the problem, helping you get your automation back on track. Regularly reviewing your task history is a great way to ensure your Zaps are running smoothly and catch any issues early. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.